Lesson 6: The Power of Imagination from Sci-Fi to Reality. Long before smartphones, robots, or space travel existed, people imagined them in science fiction stories. Science fiction or sci-fi is a type of story that explores the future, space, and new technology. These stories may not be real, but they often inspire real inventions later on. In early sci-fi books and movies, writers dreamed about flying cars, talking computers, and traveling to other planets. At the time, these ideas seemed impossible, but today, scientists and engineers are working to make many of them real. For example, the idea of a tablet appeared in movie long before it was invented. Characters in space films use flat screens to read, draw, and talk just like we'd use iPads today. Holograms or 3D images made of light were once only seen in science fiction. Now they are used in concerts, art, and even classrooms. Science fiction has also inspired real robots. In old stories, robots were shown as metal helpers that could think and move like humans. Today, robots clean floors, help doctors, and even explore Mars. What used to be fantasy is now part of real life. One famous example comes from the movie Star Trek. In the 1960s, the characters used small devices to talk to each other from far away. Decades later, people invented cell phones, a real version of that same idea. Science fiction doesn't just predict technology, it helps create it. When people read or watch stories about amazing inventions, they begin to wonder, could we really build that? This kind of curiosity and imagination pushes science forward. Many inventors say that stories inspire them when they were young. Movie, books, and games help them dream about the future and believe that anything is possible. Imagination is often the first step forward toward discovery. The power of imagination helps people dream big and design tools that improve the world. From pages to big screens, sci-fi continues to show us what the future might look like, and sometimes that future becomes reality.